My name is Dr. Preeti Kumari and I work as a cataract and glaucoma specialist at the Site Avenue, Gurgaon and Greater Kailash. So today I'll be talking to you a little about the disease called glaucoma. So what is glaucoma? So there is a disease in which the pressure of our eye increases and the optic nerve that connects our eye to brain gets damaged. Now this nerve is very important for perception of light and transmitting light to your brain. So any damage to the optic nerve can result in blindness. Can glaucoma happen to everyone, or there are certain specific people who are more prone to it? So of course, glaucoma can happen at any age group and can happen to anybody. But there are certain people who are more prone to it. So if you have a family history of glaucoma, that is anyone in your blood relatives, whether near or distance, has been diagnosed with glaucoma, then please come for your eye checkup. Second, if you have very high refractive error, whether you have high minus number or high plus number. So if you are a high myopic or high hypometropic, please come for your glaucoma checkup. If you are a diabetic, if you are a hypertensive, you suffer from disease like migraine, you have a sleep apnea, any of these conditions can result in higher incidence of glaucoma. Now, how can you diagnose glaucoma and what are the symptoms of it? So the dangerous part about this disease is that it has no symptoms. So it is also known as the silent killer of your vision. So normally in usual diseases, what happens is your vision deteriorates and you come to the doctor quickly. But what happens in glaucoma is that it affects your field of vision. So when you're looking ahead, you can still appreciate everything around you. This is your field of vision. So in glaucoma, what happens is that this field starts getting restricted. So your vision is going from the sides, but your vision centrally remains absolutely fine. And that is why you never realize that you have something wrong going on in your eye. That is what makes it very, very dangerous. So only way of picking up a glaucoma is to come and get your eyes checked. When you come to an eye hospital, when you come to an ophthalmologist, we check your eye pressures regularly. And if we see any discrepancy in your eye pressure, if we see that your pressure is being noted high, then we screen you in detail for the disease of glaucoma. So that is very, very important. Also, once you are diagnosed with glaucoma, does that mean that you will become blind? No, absolutely not. In today's time, we have a lot of treatment options available for glaucoma. So if you have been diagnosed with it or someone has told you that you are suspicious of glaucoma, don't get scared. So what are the treatment options? So first and most important, which has been there since centuries, is our medications. Many eye drops are available for glaucoma. Now our armamentarium has become much higher. We have n number of drops available and they can help treat and keep your glaucoma at the current stage itself. Can we cure glaucoma? No, we cannot cure it, but we can control it very easily with the help of medications. Coming to the next option, you have something known as micro-incision glaucoma surgery. Now, what are these micro-incision glaucoma surgeries? These are the most latest treatment that has been given for glaucoma patients. Even if you are suffering from very early stage of glaucoma, these are micro-incision surgeries that are done through very small incision of 2 millimeter, and we can make you drug-free and free from use of any eye drop if you are suffering from early or moderate glaucoma. Now coming to the last stage, if you are having very advanced disease and your disease has already reached more than 90% of optic nerve damage, then are there any other options to still try and save your vision? Of course there is. The time-bound surgeries of trabeculectomy and AGV surgeries. In both the surgeries, we operate in our eye to reduce the intraocular pressure. In trabeculectomy, we create a pathway in the eye. Over here in the white part, we create a scleral tunnel and then we create an opening called sclerostomy. So now this surgery, through this passage, there will be drainage of water from inside to outside of the eye, and this will take care of your eye pressure. And then there's next surgery that is known as the tube implant inside eye. Now there are various types of tubes available. It can be valved as well as valveless. Both the tubes are placed inside the eye, and through the tube, the water will drain outside the eye and your pressure will be controlled. So, concluding this is that there are many surgical options, many medical options to treat glaucoma, to keep your glaucoma in control. The most important thing is to diagnose glaucoma on correct time. So, the best way to save your eye or to protect your eye from glaucoma is to come for a routine visit to your ophthalmologist. Keep getting your eyes checked once every year, and that way you can be either picked up on time or you can be sure if you have glaucoma or not. So, if you have any other queries, you can contact us at Cure India. Thank you.
If you are interested in treatment in India, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a new video from us.